Documenting the moose. Got some Sagittaria coming up. We do have a couple cattails we're gonna have to stay on top of to keep them from filling in, but we also have some sawgrass. So we can see here, these are some of the willows that we weren't able to spray along the edge. We can see they're much taller. When we get into the area around where we sprayed, we noticed that they're shorter in height by at least a couple feet. So these are some willows that were cut off from the edge by our last treatment. We can see they haven't grown any taller. They're the same height they were when we came, and we'll compare that with one not sprayed on the edge. We can see significantly taller. We just love seeing this on the edge here. Still some button bush we got to kill, but we see the sawgrass and the swamp rose mallow are coming in.